and when I make a say by election bazo Kpandai and okay yeah I can say and you be under you woo na day by election back definitely some people before Ankentima after Kpandai there are 2 more constituencies
issues beba home
one be Lucy and say 2028 elections I'm telling you Kpandai courts now I'm ruling say within 30 days yen rerun parliamentary elections no yen kwato aba no foforo na sitting MP no ho me penasem brutal honorable Nyidam I love that man and I'll tell you why.
Okay.
In the days an MPP war position, no. He was the only Northern Region MP. Why in the name? Ni but Obebe station Bia. He became a regular panel on Adom. He became a regular panel on Asempa. Because I think after maybe ba Adom fufro na me ye Adoni Asempa. Me nua kaba na ne hododo no nti me po anopa na makotena that time na me nika nti na your company car pick up na ya makotenam mani kuma na mabu seat na komachi na madaka anim kakra because me kofia wan hwa sembeba na masore fika na makoya asepa aka ho and I think say parties ni mienu na wo Ghana no leaders wo MPP ni NDC mu ina no kwanya ye faso a ye manage enipa eboa wo party wo mu nim they don't have an idea both NDC and the MPP enti obi tumi kum ne ho saa ye adwuma ma NDC obi tumi kum ne ho saa ye adwuma ma MPP me no sese me ya dantamu
sikanu fanu
but who said one bre 2000 elections Ghana for wo kuma sebe ya tafo NDC ni guy bi edwane ye no mo ye mienu wo ko shares obi ceiling
wakanda
etin crofo de wo mafu ena wo fa sekan ena wo de tire ekekere sekan na no sei etu wo de wo ceiling ni mu a na wo nipa na moje esone yes that time no na yenya ye wa Asante na ye pese MPP ba power etina ya dwen se no de eye mrantie ni nya o mewi aba nim eti ya tata won ba ko wi ene ka ba ko unim se sa akwa ne besi ne NDC pani bie na wakwakwa hwenda from 2000 nyankopon nkuno adom nti wa ma ne da se kind of one to first eti oye whoosh oh done no na se one sirem eti ohwe se de if he left right na ewo ceiling ni mu no oye na so obesom because one yema obewu at the time omu yi no Otek FM and a interview no nipa no ye Otek morning show me refini di okotena London kra it's akwa ne nsabie no ni na mu twitwae and I'm say oya ye mre ti ba ko so wo ne kwachi eti sini ni bu ye na mo menu nya be gu fam no na ba ko awu that time na obi afre aposifo eti tafo police for the dimirika e baaye no me fa no koy onu G adawrobenti wanwu that time na NDC for regional secretary bi ye fa no Sly Akekpovi no ye NDC regional secretary Oye Votarian and oye regional secretary e Ashanti region. Ono ne etwa kwan saa woji edu be na slide sika asa. Ah ode he no. Party this was lose election. Obi amfia abranti 2009. Almost saw Professor Mills in wie no. Na me okumase. Ya wa branch be okumase e fe no anim sompem. Minim ba bi anim bo sompem wo. Na abranch ba ko so ho no so ye NDC ni e fe no red. Ena ba ko kan wa e fe no Moses. Wo mo miensa. Ena na asa wo bie phone line e wo kumase then times a. Na o ma giagiram ebo NDC hu dewuro. Ena Yakubu Toniedu beka ho. Ena yenya lady ba ko bi ye no Gloria Clover ana no ye joso women organizer ono beka ho. No mo ye 4. And then we had another guy be from Sir akwaye o kan say yen youth e wo Ghana ha yititi se kubedu sa papa bi no abie bi no Katie Hammond constituency me refidi din o be contest Katie Hammond no kraba ni Lucy here e no so be kan ho no mo ye. Then we had another lady e wa Asokwa constituency. I forgot nipa 2 wey dey me from the 4 wey dey be kai wo din wo mo gisi mu saanti wo me ye o madwin say wo me raise funds Asha branche no odaji 5 months. Then who sike dasa 2009 NDC ba power. Penifo bi penifo ye NDC for ho Ashanti region say abranche is still a obre ekuro ni wuyi. Mafia from 2000 ever see 2009. Now what do some mia guy na tom besi ne obi ani ho a obo abrante na nyash besi ne obi amwano. It happened in the NDC. Honorable Abraham Osei Edu na oye majority leader no oye Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Government Business. Before no a majority leader. And now Honorable Osei Mensa Bonsu and deputy. Time a J Kufobe di power. Honorable Abraham Osei Edu. Abayi Sumano. Di Kufueti yenen ne koi. Yeko Kenya. And a J nya call. Ye free Kenya ne call London. And a day nya call. And you free one you call Holland. And a day nya call. And you about Togo hey ya Togo hey ya. Na to share si achire. Eye campaign. E Honorable Abraham Osei Edu nachi. Che. Obia mbua Honorable Abraham Osei Edu. Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Government Business, or a majority leader. Obia Mwano, Yeni Baye, also a party, na to she sietche. Abayi Suma, Abraham Osei Edu, ECOWAS Parliament. That time, the ECOWAS Parliament, I think na FFE, Eba. So they needed to be a whole brain, Papa no wa being, minim so that yasia. So I say, what I want my number to send. The man is Abraham Osei Edu tiase. Papa, what say? I say, one day I want to interview you. Hey, Yeni Abraham Osei Edu, Echo Ivory Coast. Kufo kasa ye wo meeting na se wie ye no. Yes, sorry, I couldn't refi no no that na kunya so. So it took the former vice chancellor of the University of Ghana, Legon, Professor Asenso. Sir Professor Asenso tiasia. What the number friend no? Na kan say Captain Smart na kan asem we. Me the nyame ase odum bi ni adum bi nti me will retentive memory. That is my weapon. And na sense so ko no go hey no kai say not akonwa so the referee won say program na end eti we're moving to Yamoussoukro me kai everything you do you know ana ya mami Gladys Asma me kai pa na Gladys Asma na ho fo that how ya baba wa I said brother na bas no ho I said sister bring juma on today me ye juma boa party na hwe me ye suma me ha aban suma me ha party suma me ha but obi ni ho a obo me abamba wo machi me constituency executive say wo hokra no ya to wo afiri me say meanwhile me boa Ghana me boa party enti enye ya say obia endwene me ho ana Gladys Asma ana te ye pam Kojo Pieni was with us and Okoka says okay at the end said the AC kono your Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Government Business is not happy. Also yeni obi anka hwenche then ekoso yes obi atie sinachi ono na mo ya ban ene oman adwuma no obi atie sinachi a opeso tu no free ni seat so yebedru Ghana na SSA plane no yebedru Ghana 9 p.m. but na yese weather nye me kai pa that time ye wo hini bi wa Asante region or that dey man ukotu fabrempo na oka ho or medical doctor me mondin no bi amfa na ni bi ankosa an so or that medical doctor or that di hini no ye adwa okoko clinic ti won amunim no momfa de saa ni din bi na dikan mawie it's a flight ni delay here. I said 9 p.m. na yebedru Ghana no yebedru 12 a.m. exactly you see here no I'm say ohine ne take conversation no that's all you know na time for pane Alan John Kojo Chamaten ne body pa na Alan Chamaten so ka ho cause that time no na waba no a Minister of Trade and Industry and Presidential Special Initiative make I Tony Alan Bokomono no catch Alan said go and tell the president Mafia long story short Edu NPP Prime Minister so Ewatema East baby ana Honorable Abraham Osei Edua na oye Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Government Business no Olusu Poto Emana Atoshi Adelai someone should tell me Adelai and to wouldn't they see here Emma Honorable Osei Chairman Sabonsu Mena me tuni din the only chain in Ghana's politics. Station bank the interview. It was not to tell. They were brand to my friend Kwesi Asise. Very good. Now our Capital FM. There be your friend Capital FM, Capital Radio. Their friend Capital Radio. 90 something. I've forgotten. And a Kwesi Asise interview honorable Osei Chairman Sabonsu. And on say Chairman Sabonsu can say we there a palace school within the New Patriotic Party. Sir, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and leader of government business. Party name to me and protecting no. Am I ye tuna say akobia. O say do lusu poto. After so lusu ye no. And a MPP mpeni for friend they say we will compensate you. How can you compensate a member of parliament? Well, you see primaries. I want to be in parliament. I was at the castle. Mene koko so hene. Yes, why am ye your operation be? Your operation be wo baby. Mene koko so hene. That's how the friend kwakudia. No nya koko so hene. Yes, why me yekoye operation bi e wo ho ba bi ye ba ya ne ye beto say honorable Abraham Osedu ne car park e wo castle anim ho and we bu seat the corner chi ne waye din say that car nim. I knew him. That's honorable. We hear more bayana. We are ready. I mean, myself and Koko so hene Asenso and Bukari. Na your guy be a friend of Yaro. Mafia. So jina ha obepim lighty. Yaro. Ni dipa na reference boso. Boso no means can ya men koye obekwa koye abasisi ya. Umbon tu enko. Utwa ne sekan ye enko. Won pentuwa enko. Wo yenden emfa. Ade ba ko pe na wo ye na ebe ko no so menka because Yaro that yase na wan fa nkoye no. And I say Miraho Ashime. Me kasem bi. Adene ye me ya. That time NPP been for from small boy danger. Cause akola ketwa ye wo me konsa fa ha, ne de me fa ha, na me ko, na me ba, say ya. Entitama Pino Macmenu ebe ye NPP chairman no. Oba Kumasi be campaign that time no nyanya chairman no ye campaign. I went to him. And I'm say look. Restaurant bi wo enye kavi. Wo fi ahojo roundabout e kwa obefa won left to say e was so I forgotten the name. I want to be sure and show for we am catch say Peter. What hu ade on the year Abraham Osedu. Okay. I said but that's a long thing. I'm say it's long, really? Omo de bi be ye o. O ka say wo de wo ye wo kan ho. I'm say omo de bi be ye o. Bisa Peter Macmenu there be before the year no. Then I'm person me can't pay. I am coming to say something. Because of the Kpandai court ruling. Hey, NPP left Kumi. Ghana no wa kwetia. Oh wu ye no. Or the yaw na wu yi. Hey, so with the NPP, with the NDC achia for what dream ye adwuma. Anya ombetu kokum. So there was Asante they can't say ya two kokum a wotiase. Kumi, he died out of pain. Hey, adia ye pa wasase so ne say pain, a suppressing, a depressing, a stressing. Fano wa Honorable Abraham Osedu, he made just one statement. I say, forever in my life, I would advise my children not to do politics, but to play politics. See, as someone Honorable Abraham Osedu kai, no etama East MP, or say, forever in my life, I would advise my children not to do politics, but to play politics. He was left. Nobody protected him. So Tiasu, I don't know. Me papa no, my friend Ache, I don't even think I still have his contact on my phone. I say I can't obia or yeah, because that time Bagbin was at his peak as minority leader. Bagbin. There was a day you do castle. Kojon Pieni, Papa Usu Ankuma, Papa Yodi, speaker, your friend say, Abra, Aaron Michael Kwe, Jay Kufo, Papa Usu Ankuma, Kojon Pieni, Aaron Michael Kwe, Mamia, or what, as Usu constituency, there is a table, and Papa Bako, obey AMA boss, Edgy Blanksing. They're discussing Bagbin. I'm telling you, me Ghana politics, no, I said when I was at age 12. It's me cast my men can yes say. Me more ding date and time. To be producer from Ghana politics, me Shatawale. Won't mean beating me. Huh? They were discussing backbone. That how can just this man alone? We have majority. But I brought here way. Or disturbing. What can we do? So they invited Honorable Abraham Osedu. So they sent Yaro. The Yaro I told you about. Yaro. Sawushemu pa ne kaze ne Yaro kasambata. Eti, womo swan say kofre Abraham Osedu bra. Womo do parliament no papa no horo so kakra. What's the president want me to do? If I leave now, something will not go well here in the parliament. So go and tell the president that I will come later. Can I tell you something? The very first time a president to be in here, or where to be a year parliament, what to car a parliament, Abraham Osedu was there for. Let me close my iPad and tell you something this morning. Jayakufo had nothing to do our parent, but he needed somebody to combat backbone. So he drove himself. Kufo a driver bruta. Papa na so stable so driver. We born sama mano. Abraham Osedu sat in the country. Could do the driver fee car back couldn't bet in front or and on any treachery. The Omokai mante because the glass were up. Yeah, in a car. No, be a crowd. You say Jay Kufona no. Yes, I remember that time. Now MP we are one man poison the year when we oh. Honorable and the appear could be Otiasio Busano. Now here so. And Papa na your friend Abraham say no pursue to shepherd or see form no yet pursue to say or yet say an say asamo and no do ko parliament that day bisa backbone tiasi onwi one number ni bisa backbone so kasapa Abraham say do sorry Mr. Speaker or backbone so kasapa Mr. Speaker ban parliament was here. But no more than penny fountain to Kwabia and say, sad baby, see, Nkaranket and paper. When we were here, there was a leadership meeting. I think it was Bejina Sechihiu Sana. Kufo first parliament, na a right honorable Peter Alajete, yes. It was not his time. It was Ebenezer Bejina Sechihius. Oye mean over 5 hours. No way. Because no you who Abraham Osedu said that. But MPP Ejai Abraham Osedu man say. When say he became the only member of parliament. Side Ebina with free parliament chairman your friend saying S Gracia. He was the last person to S Gracia. It took him 1 year, 9 months.
Can you imagine?
Near MPB S Gracia mano. So when Abraham said no that's ya bisano. Onu kwani S Gracia che. Cause any sibana so no padi we were highest akwa we. Ye ja Abraham said man say. Any for giants like Akekobi I was central I don't we na here tan time. Ye hu gra ke ni ko voter range. Sly. Oh yeah, mon tell me this executive say think na ba Sly Akekobi yi e wa Ashanti region. And Sly na J NDC see ho I gbenu o tell santimem. No wa GNDC esini na so. Enu na ma ohine jekum eye ne fe say gbeni kura ya NDC wa Ashanti region na be Asantini Mekonda regional chairman. Onkwado ko bodu ya nyina ka ho. Adelai to nchen ha there are so many nkrofo a edi sam party mienu achi NDC ni NPP achi a omo ye nkwasiafo because omo ye nkwasiafo ye se me di o matem o bra bo asai he opani ye friend Guzitano ye busanse NDC lose 2000 elections na bra bo to say. Someone should tell me, Mr. Guzitano. The NDC left him. Are they right? Okoka. What is it now? Omokwati NRP. Okwati political party. What is it Guzitano? I remember very well. And some of you have been Pesemeka. There are certain things I don't want to say it. Maybe the Ghana politics when I was at age 12. And penny be all Ghana politics in one nebia more history.
That little boy.
What's it?
I was that little boy.
Yes, I was that little boy. That little boy. That's a order. Don't worry about not yet. Say, Guzitano, I'm taking a man quote NRP. And what you know, NDC forum one national chairman be Obed Yao Asamoah. NDC for your Congress, Ewo Kofodia Papa Pania and Suasin in China on John Sod de Papa. Yama Obed Yao Asamoah, sorry, and Quadron Manager Sonny. Adelaide? Na or yet. Foreign Affairs Minister under J.J. Rawlings. Then nobody there was some wape. Yeah, national chairman. Can what trans yaman Johnson so the home. One more said that's a yaman sorry. Ah, how? Papa Penny say. It is with the party a cheer. My Juma. That is why Honorable Abraham said, say, forever in my life. I would advise my children not to do politics, but to play politics. Because politics is a game. Then, Obadiah was someone from here. Wouldn't my maybe a friend Cecilia Johnson? What in dinner? Or anything? What's my maybe a friend? Faustina Nelson? Okay. Madame Faustina Nelson. Tell me. Rawlings my yetchin 8 times, but still all end this day. Yes, you are called this a limano. Say, why was a dead. And this is CIA or Hecano. Maybe baby your chair, any do yet. But we say, and this year was a Secrano for Sinanasa on my day. I'm the first Sinanasa in your May I can't send you, right? It's a mean way, battle. Now, what's your say? Because I've told you, said the man was a regular panel on my show on Adom and a regular panel on my show on Asempa. Kiki, Fosina Nancy says, oh, my name. Yeah, Mammy Fosina Nancy. That's what has him. I know. Oh, for the nurse and where they Onuni Oba. Hey, let me tell you something. In 2000 general elections, one more list so we will do them in Oba no Kenya for Sina Nelson. Yeah, bad power 2001 7 January. Nipa no your bar near person a year bibi. For Sina Nelson. Now in this city abem. But they needed people who met me at time when Japade, Aquacoton party for Sir Nelson, Bisano. So I mean, I don't know whether she's alive or not. I don't know. Mumisano. So at a point, Tama Jacob Echebilamte, chief of staff. As I'm about 10 years, so it is declassified. But the end of 10, they still remain classified. Eti ye tata my madam so oti ase me come away now obi mfrɛ na bisa sa asama me ba beken mafia obayiye o kuma se yo kro bi o Asante je fan found Wouldn't Fadi? Aha. Fadi man ponting. Or by a year, I will hope.
Bonica.
Yeah, Tata, Mamisa, Madam, so what's here? Tell somebody what I'm saying if it's a lie. Yeah, Tata, Mamia from Father Man Pontesa, but we're here. Bruno, you what a fun gem when you're here. One way, I'm winning me. And half winning me, pa, and half winning me, pa. Ever do it. It's my minister that see ye. So Kotoko. So the only Magreba.
Nobody viaino.
Yeah, I didn't carvings. Men kind of brought off when you what or one of because then there was danger. Bisa, ye didn't tete. Say, would you tafua Kwame Nkrumah sign? Would me fat? Left to say, no, what yes, Bokrum F line, no, what yes, A line, B line, no, what woman or airport runabout, no, what could fan say, now, what could pay baby, filling station, you baby, iron bet one. Your first say, or for Crum, yeah, and a warm, and you catch a yarrow say, my men branch, but traffic, so yarrow should move. They are a movie here. Baby, I never from a line, say a lango, said no. As someone I saw Baby Shama, and I'm in the Tinkwa. Mr. Faustina Nelson. No Bianco Kunu, or Bianco Prano, yes, you know. Mijidi is or take card. None I would you cry this security. But I say, I'm not say, medium the NDC for your Faustina Nelson. I don't know. I don't want to know. Ebia. Say Prano, I maybe I don't know. So I don't want to say anything. Maybe that was not the first thing I did for Sina Nelson. Maybe I could find to be the president. Or no gas cylinder, see you know. Francis Asiam, Mr. Francis Asiam. And then the manager in this.
No, you're wild.
Francis Asiam, no, you're wild. Yet, yes, I'm quiet to come. I'm telling you something. Maybe Kpandai, but I know what I'm saying. Person would take Ghana politics and I say, I'm a would the political party here. Pacho, don't do politics, play politics. Because politics is a game. There's a referee, there are linesmen, there are match commissioners. Currently, there's a VAR in politics. But getting yet Juma, Naja Jibino of your what do I come out? Na politics. Ube woo unyake. Bisa Francis said, Mamma don't win him. I have come where. Nipa do on crown wa ho den won sika wanim de wani onyam munyansa edi NDC NPP echi no omi na ayen kwasiafo oh no wala sabe bi o na bala boy say king of morning shows obi o to turn school here at this camp ema NDC say say monje mon fa campaign o turn school wala sabe bi o oti asa no we bi oti ase mon friend say na mbusa no because time ade na yire so no 94 years ka wa tokodo because na UK ni US EPJ kufo mon pe Rollins bi omu mon pe NDC ma men kan sanya Rollins mon pe NDC bi omu enti baby o be police ke na no mo koloko ituku wala sa baby o and o town school nyash o town school e di sika na ma NDC say am check na brabo okope DC kura ya mfama no kope DC wa mfama then am pesamika Kpandai MP but you nyinam tema akanfo infante asante Ekua pem ebo edwani campaign no na tani no and na ye campaign man NPP.
Captain Smart.
Tani no. NPP failed to protect him. But that NPP protected Bagby. Hey, there was a day. Me a person Bagby, no ye Nandoli Kalio. Me kaipao Nandoli Kalio. They are ready. 2004, we set myself, Kokudia, no Baye Kokosohene, Yaro, and others who were detailed. Make sure Bagby may lose seat, no. And then me can't so much on there. Tis a would party a cheer. My dream no yet manager Jimino. On your marks, get set, ready, ping, yeah, two. Oh. Krona Udru before Suhum Yafo saying. Krobi Udru before Suhum. And I call by and say, we should return. Is that so? Who is ordering?
Sorry.
That we should return.
Sorry.
That call came from the National Security. Return.
What is your name?
And then we came back to Accra.
What is your name?
The information was that Bagman must win.
Honorable member, I could.
NPP now power. TMA. NPP now power. Bagman must win and come back to Parliament.
I couldn't get. What is your name?
Ready? NPP didn't know how the end. Also, he can lose. It doesn't spoil anything. Honorable Bagman took where you no imagine one hotel room, no matter how. But I couldn't mean say, I'm going to no matter. I don't know. I'm really asking. Oh, Eti, only ask my JB the room here, maybe room here. Now, the JB say, you better down back. Oh, and I'm back at the end. Me, I don't know what they were using that room for.
And the law,
I'm only saying
the law.
Mr. Bagman. Eti, do baby no. Ah, I can't.
Captain Smart.
So with the NDC NPP a cheer. My what training here, Juma? Do not do politics. Play politics. Because politics is like soccer. It's like football. You're a linesman. You're referees. You're match commissioners. You're currently, Jamie Mufran say, VAR.
He is smart.
Kpandai MPW matter. The MPP left him alone. I'm telling you today. Oh. Ah. Hey, let me be a friend of Fiakutu. Oware binding. Adoye MP, and this is a deputy, who's a national organizer. I think deputy organizer. Okomaslong. Okomaslong as deputy CEO. Beside the MPP for the year. Edu bedroom meant me can word no. But so the sound word no to Obaswa. Show papa when
shows.
No more dinya. What the first Yakutu? They watched her set a trap for a Fiakutu. She fell into the trap and they started castigating her. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, two about we no. Me me friend MPP MPC me and say, Kpandai, yes, easy declare papa say one winning. But there's danger. So start working on it. When you must MPP MPC catch me, call him and advise him. Now I say, you think I'm a fool? Because minim say be court. Oh, why you careful? Why you be court? Ako yimi a dance here. Oh, you from a dance here na man kwa. You be sopi na me. Timinka, timanka. Anka. Me Ghana elections. Hey, would you do? A woman. Seven absent Chemia or Chem so when you pet a Chemi. Me say Ghana elections in chain present a beauty TV in radio so. Wow, be man bra.
Smart.
Into a two machine in free training beto. I saw Kpandai, there'll be trouble. So yesterday, maybe I didn't catch it out.
It's a by-election.
It's a by-election ever. Now, your by-election, you what would see me and run upon one tear. I knew what I was saying. Because some in himself, Kpandai, you have a by-election. Akatu. And when you Akatu, every before me, someone was a pebble. Oh. Must be charm. Would this room up and pass? My real enemy. O Quadu, Mename Corono. Oh, there's a man that can favor 2028 wrong. What was it saying? 80 say 80. 88, maybe 88. Oh, Trey, minimum make 88. Kumi at Jeffrey. Zaka 87. Kpandai obefree. Rebecca 86. Now cut 2. New Patriotic Party, but I can't say we're in trouble. What you say? We are lawyer for money answer. I can tell you on authority 80% of Mpenifodi party in Mumi answer for checking the garden for. Omani go Yansa 5-year party. Omunibi. Benin sound be Befia. For 50 I be caught a trabe be out. Nafa lawyer. Justin could be a better. Nafa topic to us all one discuss it. Oh, busy.
Sorry, you lost the elections.
You lost the elections.
I'm calling you so court go defend.
Court to Baya.
Of course, all kasa.
What's the case of Dibimda? Justin could also a court according case of Dibimda. Me and my content also a case of Dibimda. I don't even sound. Me, Jaisa, you see, politics, it's a game. 50 have caught a baby out here. Not just in Kodia to her.
He is smart.
Now you can't GDP. Just in Kodia, bet me academy. Oh. Then I bet I can. Oh. But for 50 have caught a baby out here. Not for Dan Kwakuboke. At a baby amity. Oh. But who say yes? And I'm home.
Sorry.
Weber. Okay. For I said, look at here. Me fili asedum katia bruta baby wunim asedum katia wunim say Rollins di na chi ebu
machiro so
Rollins aje pen ni paper ya ka tell say kwam na ato hwa na ye pen no penny no whichever way the local government expect no enemy says Dr. Mary Grant aka tell say Sepa, yeah, my own speech, young Troy. Yes. Hey, Rollins, who quack. Oh, American.
Smart.
May you microphone? I know where you put me. I know where you may. Yeah, because out it. I know where you may. Will you free me more? My mobile.
He is smart.
My strength is the microphone.
He is the
it's Rollins, I said draft to me. With the office or canoe, my bullet point. I said, look at our no deputy minister of agriculture. I said, can I continue?
I'm in trouble.
Now I said, look at your continue. No, didn't cheat table. No Rollins, no, or throw a cheat. Are they lie? Tell me if I'm lying. For I said, look at your time. I couldn't so. Never 17 travel be a theater water. Yeah, can't NPP executive so. Me doing 17 bedrooms Johnson. And yes, 17 when you answer, Papa don't want bing. Minimum 17. So when you make catch minimum pa. Now the bracket why me producer Asamoah. And strategically, you said that for Asamoah so me produce me NPP adwuma. But Stephen Tim, I am national chairman, say and Sasano. But I say, I find it to fear baby or Tenefa, I said don't catch better. E ho na be who say yes. Say politics no a game. Any business. Say see if Hana bisiu. Etra baby afiata go tie. Afiata go baby oti Hana bisiu. Dr. Hana bisiu. Fane kwat now. MPP we on kwa me fin dey.
Yeah, the simple.
How comes?
That would be. Kate
Dem for so better baby amete. Never topic to say yanka GDP.
Kangala.
Oh na be say ajala.
He is smart. He is the best. Captain Smart is the
Bosa atasa. Every
Captain Smart.
politics, you know. It's a game. It's not a business.
He is smart.
Learn how to bribe the referee
He is the best.
to whistle on your behalf. Politics. It's a game. It's not a business. Because business are rudiments. But game, dear, in any means or way, if you want to win, you must win. It's in a Ghana. I bet depend any team. Any team back, we share 52 goals. Abba. I bet depend any team. Nania FC. Any team back, Mafia, we share. We share go 5 seconds. Yeah, possible no be gonna goalkeeper not when you change. Yeah, bobo not to pull. That is politics.
Captain Smart.
NPP left the Kpandai MP all alone to himself.
He is smart. He is unique.
Hey,
He is the
Afenyo-Markin,
Captain Smart is the
you are on the way losing. Hey, me elections come for. Me can't say me chowa. Upa fa, upa jai. Eh?
Rosie.
I did you write some way wrong. Some people before I nya. 2028, Afenyo-Markin's be lose support.
MPP biara.
One the radio presenter be kwaku tu.
Razi.
Pacho enyemia.
Razi.
Too serious.
Me enyemia.
Razi.
But one the radio presenter ne be kwaku tu Afenyo-Markin.
Razi.
Ne pa so kokko.
Razi.
One the be tu sanwa.
Razi.
Eh, when you be a we a lawyer. No be only master's degree, no two.
Razi.
And no na must say. And this is what na why and ha. Emma Baba Jamal no lawyer. I must say ya, mona mo say so your hairdresser. Okotuba Baba Jamal.
Razi.
If you say could do parliament to even come for so you are a sir.
Razi. My MPP biara.
Mr. Speaker, you are a sir.
Razi.
But not lawyer no too. Because politics are your business.
Razi.
Honorable Martin, you go home. I'm telling you. We'll party that on where we
Razi.
also we are telling
Razi. My MPP biara. Onya
Martina party that on where we are, you know.
the tinapa ni mumbio. Tinapa ni mumbio.
And then the baby know. And you know. Yeah.
Captain Smart.
MPP wo. Sit in you know central region. When you careful.
Tinapa ni mumbio.
Also for the very first time. NDC for nyedede. So I realize here. NDC communicators are more loud in Akrandia of the system. What realizes are there? I find the NDC for take game nasi. Eti womo boni nya. Until after Christmas, easy boss meko.
Captain Smart.
The law is the law.
OSP beko.
Oh.
Oh no, OSP obeko. Obeko fine. On the corner be fe. One shekro no abeka say adwuma no made. Monje. Obeko. Hwe emra yemfanya politics. Jay Kufo na catch me or say, son, you say yes daddy. Never use the law as part of your strategy. Use the minds of the people and ask them to follow you.
And the law is the law is the law.
When you have them behind you, the law becomes rubbish. And because the Constitution is not a fetish.
And the law is the law is the law.
Indeed, Emrana Okrom Hania Edman Pam Pam Pa, Emrania Edman, Mafia, then Tina Yetimi Court, High Court, Appeals Court. It's with the injunction to Dania, yes, yes, so, and so Anajuna, yes, we are the same court, Rabakato says, yes, here we are, yet we release a Mungu. Hey, Ghana
is the law, is the law.
But what's my making one? Look, majority of us don't learn, we yearn. And learning is earning. And yearning is yearning.
All of that.
Let me tell you, in your school, 90% are a baller. Practical and experience is the key to a successful life. It's a blabber mobile phone. I'm can't say Minjro. You're on Crophobia or one life when we are missed call. There are people who should remain missed calls in your life. And you choose when to respond, when to return the call. Some Crawford may have missed call for no. They wish you are missed of the system. Yeah, Crawford, we are the battery in the phone. Niyamu can work training. Mobile phone, battery no. It's a charge now to 100%. But also the battery now for Mobian. Yeah, Crawford, life more. In politics, we have mobile phone battery no. We do charge and fee to our battery now start to say phone. Some Crawford more life no. We have mobile phone battery no. We have ka ba wa ho den asa.
Banana.
Eh? Yeah, unwanted but kept contacts. Young Crawford or life from politics, man. They are unwanted, but you are still keeping them. It's for phone. Number your phone so about 6 months and you won't fret or no some fret with that. Why is the number still on your phone?
That's 17.
Your phone here put in. Number be on my phone as well. About 3 years ago. Men friend that. Or not friend me that. It's number that here then on my phone so. You will need pay your bra bomoa. So moa and shama. Omo free moa and tosi. Woman na wo phone so am frɛ omo da no. You don't need them, but you can't clear them. In politics, you need a live wire. You need a charger. Mobile phone be our charging. When charger no, when you are going down, it gives you energy. While more dear son, you connect your charger. That charger no, a power battery no. Na battery no enya hoden. Afi busa me say, na charger no the share. The share be a power wo. And so when your political party now joke with power, you are a fool. That is why I'm looking at the NDC. They don't love power. Am I doing on power?
DNC.
Now one party, original executives, constituency executives, Omusu, na atego. Na wo hwe wo. Omem wo lusu election he, mafia. Political party yo. Power no. Wo do charge and be shem no. Won e wo from ho no. Wani. And that Kpandai MP obeko. Ajim Pabua Kassia step in. And yes, I'm at you, you are going. He's a lawyer. But you will go. Mommy, what? okop wase enwe nti mami wata on see
Mami wata!
hwe it is a would the political party achi a ma gene nye adwuma amadi mo
Ojai!
what say so I realize here Wowa NDC echichi wo mu sese na omo ye MPP for no do no say dom ko bochenku o say se so dem former national service boss MPs ministers ekọ ne ho ko ka chen say ye de makwada we akoto sinchem you know kokoko bot
Wait.
no way Yet my quad we are to go more touch my DC. What I'm called primary. Go more touch my DC. Unify ho.
When
Fana concepts.
Number Tianica.
Sa papa is say I no ka say ya che no odem opebel. Obian ko belin.
Number Tianica.
Hey.
What's it? Politics is a game. It is not a business. You must understand it. How to play this rubbish game.
Ojai!
Hey, sister, ba kunu de wanya belo.
Owari. Give to Owari.
When
See you know.
oh, I don't know.
My mention what there. My true email be your home. My Israel company be. I'm trying to make a story no. Yes, say. National security equipment be here. Say a bagana ha. Equipment no ama. Nti Attorney General do be a kojina court say emfa ntum.
Wait.
Attorney General hunya answer ntro company ni say equipment no e buy.
Na the
Yetuaka awie. Mo Attorney General say ye or share politics as business but not a game. So he will fail. Ayeni will fail. When you care for the next racial for Mahama be pam no pa yen tronto.
I would not.
I'm telling you today.
You sure na narrow?
Me and me throw letter. That my HR.
When
and tell myself shemu me some bro for da. Because me the People's University of Apam Secondary. O shemu no say good. Woso na me woso.
wait.
Be na wotwe mensani. Afena Israeli company no. I responded. Someone the idea buy. You carry.
Ojai!
I buy class am contractor. Na service equipment no. This Attorney General catch us say idea na ma.
Na the far.
Na dey go go Baba Kamara warehouse. Oh,
Na the far.
Baba Kamara on this. No say Baba Kamara.
And here you go program.
You know what is happening? Politics is not a business. It's a game. If I'm not winning them, ya so be lose seat no.
Razi.
Because when by election there, one have vice president na beba ho.
Razi.
Obe lose. I said don't get beba ho.
Razi.
Oh.
50 abe court beba, obe lose.
Razi.
NDC chief executives ni nyina no mbaba beje be ye ho aboso be na wotwe me ensa. Kewo obe lose.
Razi.
Appeal ni the stay of execution.
Razi.
Judge now man ruling say yenko ye rerun no. On one of this stay na consider in bra obeto atwene.
Razi.
But your party no na ayo sa.
Razi.
Enti abusuan e tena nya me ya adoma me kan email no me throw omo respond here omo dia ba. And I want you to know, sir.
Ojai!
Honorable Abraham Osedu, I can say me say, forever in my life, I advise my children not to do politics, but to play politics. Say ya me to who pay me phone lines. Say, yes, starting free every constituency we Ghana. Say NDC for omo so mo abem no, omo executives dem frɛ. E ho na be hu regional women organizer, onya party no be jaicha.
Who born dog? Who born dog?
I have said this and I want to repeat.
Ojai!
That very fine good man who doesn't care anymore was once a man who cared too much. That fine young man who doesn't care anymore was once a man who cared too much.
Number 2